And here's I will show you how to recover deleted post on Instagram. I'm going to my Instagram and going to my profile, and let's delete this post for example. And now I'll show you how to recover this deleted post. From your Instagram profile page, tap on this menu icon and here scroll down. All you have to need, tap on your activity. Under your activity page, here you have to tap on recently deleted. And here you will find all of your recently deleted reels, stories, videos, photos. So now to restore any deleted post, just tap on the post, tap on this three dot, and here just tap on restore. Tap on restore. And remember one thing, that all of your deleted posts will be stored in this recently deleted folder for 30 days. So within 30 days, you can restore them. And after 30 days, all of your deleted posts will be permanently deleted. Then you won't be able to recover them anyway. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.